evening, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Tom, you've gone too far this time. You're destroying Christmas.
Literally.
Yeah, literally. What does that mean?
Can it, Ed? You know what? It's my turn to enjoy Christmas. You've had your fun. I feel evil, haunted, controlled, possessed, and everything I'm doing is illegal. I know. Call it a Christmas upheaval. I press charges on my alter ego. I do not sing along to your stupid songs. Silent night, take a hike, tickle bells, go to hell. I'm just like a poisonous snake, overflowed with hate. Make no mistake, there is no escape. I will blow up this place, make a mess of your face, and what's left of you, there will be no trace.
Fanatic, but you're being problematic and slightly dramatic.
You blew up the reindeer, you act like a punk. Every time you get drunk, we put up with this junk.
Word on the street is I'm losing my funk, my cool, my flow, my ho ho ho. But we can't let you steal the show.
Hey, everyone, aren't they both bad guys?
Shoot the suckers.